In today's video, I'm going to show you how to automatically accept or decline calendar invites in Outlook, so you never have to manually manage conflicting meetings again. If your calendar is constantly filling up, or you're tired of getting double booked, this Outlook setting can save you a ton of time and keep your schedule clean and organized. This works directly inside Outlook on the web and only takes a couple of minutes to set up. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button if this helps you out, and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Outlook on the web, then sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Once Outlook loads, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Settings gear icon. This opens a quick settings panel, but we need the full settings menu. At the bottom of this panel, click on View All Outlook Settings. This will open a new window with all available configuration options. On the left-hand side, click on Calendar to expand the calendar settings. Under Calendar, select Events and Invitations. This is where Outlook controls how meeting requests and invitations are handled. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Invitations from Other People. This is the key area we'll be working with. Here, you'll see several options that let Outlook automatically manage invites for you. One of the most useful options is automatically declining invitation invitations conflicts with esteemed events. When you enable this, Outlook will automatically decline any meeting request that overlaps with something already on your calendar. This prevents double bookings without you having to review each invite manually. Another helpful option is automatically decline recurring meeting requests. This is great if you often receive recurring meetings that you don't want clogging up your calendar. By enabling this, Outlook will automatically reject those requests for you. Depending on your workflow, you may see additional options related to how invitations are processed. Review each one carefully and select the settings that best match how you want Outlook to manage your schedule. Take a moment to think about your daily routine and meeting habits so you don't accidentally decline something important. Once you've selected the options you want, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is very important because your changes won't apply unless you save them. After saving, Outlook will immediately start using these rules to auto-accept or decline calendar invites based on your preferences. From this point forward, conflicting invites and unwanted recurring meetings will be handled automatically in the background. And that's it. You've successfully set up Outlook to automatically manage your calendar invitations, saving you time and helping you stay organized without extra effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Outlook and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.